In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious chicken chickpeas spinach salad. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 chicken breast, half a cup of spinach, a quarter cup of chickpeas, a quarter cup of cherry tomatoes cut in half, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half a tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of oil, a quarter teaspoon of oregano, a quarter teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of paprika, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the oil, oregano, cumin, paprika, and half of the salt. We're going to mix this together until completely combined. We're going to coat our chicken in this mixture. In a pan over heat, we're going to add our chicken and cook for 3 minutes on each side or until it's completely cooked. We're going to take our chicken out and place it on a cutting board and set aside for later. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the vinegar, pepper, mustard, and the remaining salt. We're going to set this aside for later. We're going to start by laying our spinach on the bottom of a plate. Over this, we're going to add our chickpeas and our tomatoes. We're going to drizzle the top of our salad with the dressing we made earlier. We're going to slice our chicken and place it over our salad. Our chicken, chickpea, and spinach salad is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy!